Hey guys, we're going into Dollar General to see our second day of uh, clearance and see what they got. This is store number 3. Oh my God, look at it. Oh my goodness. Yes. This 10 cent. Let me give me a buggy. OMG. Yes. Okay, so this is the Christmas stuff. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Puzzles, but this is all 10 cent. Wait, is it all 10 cent? Is this considered a Christmas clearance? So they got puzzles. They got, oh my God, I'm in love. Oh my God, yep. Look at that. Christmas stuff. They got painting stuff. Paint. They got candy. This is all the Christmas stuff still on sale. All of it. Okay. Let's see what's down here. Sleigh bags. 10 cents. Let's see. Yep. Yeah. Still the bags. A couple of tags. Of course. Let's see. Oh, that's not on sale. It's regular price. All of this is. But the stuff at the top regular price. So let's turn here. Oh my God. Look guys. More. So these is $8.95. Then it'll be half off, so it'll be $4.50. Then you use a $2 or a $3 coupon. Look like a $3 coupon you could use, and you'll pay $1 and some for. And it's 4 bags under there. And then this is 10.10. Yep, half off 5.05. $2 or $3 gain coupon. And then here's another for 4.05, half off, $2.03. No coupon, but this is the 65 fluid ounce. Okay, the Dove, which we got coupons for, foam and hand wash, $3 half off, $1.50. That coupon is for $1. These are free. Okay, or 50 cents. And look how many it is. So y'all know I'm coming right here in coupons. Okay, half off, $2.50. They got those. These are $3. I don't even think they 3 though. Okay, look at that. More gain. More Pyrex. What's that? Glue. Tampons. Alright. Okay, Dream. See, this is $1.40. I grab that just because it is. One of my little nieces. Smoothing gel. Look. 405. Stuff though. Oh my goodness. I've been in a place they didn't have this good stuff like this. I just want to see what they got. Alvino. Oh yeah, that'd be $2. Coupon for this. See what I got coupons for. Well, what's that? That's Weather Well. Palmer's. Oh, that's Secret. 450, 225. Find a coupon for that. This 265 half off is $1.30. Here we go. Herbal Essence 250 half off plus the coupon. Swab. There it is. 130, $1 off. Got $1 coupon, so it'll be 30 cents. Perfect. And then Gliss 450 half off 250. Get your coupons ready. Okay. So you got this. What's this? Who is this? Let me see. Believe, but it's 10%, so that'd be 50% off. You got all of that. Thank you. Okay. Okay, you got some CoverGirl. That'll be half off this week. Okay. Another CoverGirl. We got $2 coupons for those. And then Maybelline. And we got coupons for Maybelline. The Kiss Nails. Okay, so here you got, this is 2-in-1. This is going to be half off. So that'll be a good deal. I bought a lot of that last time. Then I bought that. Gave all of it away. All of Aquanet. I gave everything. Oh, there you go. More Suave. 25% off. But remember, it's going to be 50% off. Tresemme. I hope you guys are getting these coupons ready. Get your coupons ready. Get them ready. L'Oreal, you got Garnier, We got L'Oreal again. Who is that? Garnier hair coloring. Who is this? Cantu. Yep, that's gonna be like $1. Okay, all of these is 10% off. Yes. The FDS is 10% off. Regular $2, so $4. So it's gonna be $2 less than two. Okay, guys. Oh my God, look at all the razors. 10% off the Studios, the Chic, which we got a coupon for. The Bic. Get you some prices, $3.50, half of that. So you already know you got coupons for that. And here's another Dollar General coupon. That's gonna be $1, less than $1. So let's go to another aisle. Oh, here, Towns of Maine gonna be 10% off. So 50% off, they $5. That's a good one. And there is the Lady Speed Stick again, 10% off, half of that. Okay, guys, I'm still looking. I already know that the air fresheners, all that is on sale. But look at this, what's on sale. What's that? Cola's Ice, the hemp. So that's less than 10, half of that. Okay. Easy Egg. That's seen on TV Flex Glue. Okay. And then here's a screen top shelf, $10, less than 10. So we got to see. I need that. Okay. Here, now she don't have a lot of Airwick on sale, but here is Renews a Twin, 20%. That's Snuggle, 5, so half off that, less than $2, less than $2.50. That's gonna be a good deal. This is their dollar aisle. I never saw this store look this bad in my life. Guys, it's the girl I always go to. It is terrible. Okay, it looked like she done tried to empty that off, but we over here. Okay. Okay. This look a mess. Oil. See, last time I paid 60 cents for these glitz. Man, what song? Coupon. Let's see. Metal fibers. Chicken noodle. Dog trolley. Guys, I have never saw the clothes look like this. Look at this. I have never, ever. I'm coming here and cook and penny shop because I ain't never saw it look like this. Is ridiculous. I've never. She decided to just quit. She just stopped working because it is no way you could think this is okay. I mean, I'm happy because I'm gonna find me some penny stuff, but I've never saw her leave it like this. She was always good with the store. Always. She is tired. That's what's happening. That's what's happening up in here. Tired, tired, tired. Yeah, she tired. I never saw her look like this before. And this looked bad. But I'm glad because I get to find stuff. I'm not going to do it today because I have to go with my daughter. But I'm not going to be able to do it today. Yeah, basically, this store, I have to go through here and just scan though. I see it says bunch. But when you scan for penny items, start at this end, one end, and go all the way down. Guarantee you'll find something if they haven't purged the store that good. So, just take your chance. It's worth it, guys. It's fun also. Once you start finding them, you keep doing it because it's fun. And then you give everything away because that's what I do. So thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. and I will try and get to another store, but like this store right here, this store gonna be the bomb. And it's two more stores I showed you in the video from Thursday night evening at 3 o'clock. Go look at that video. It's another coupon video. Bye.